Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N20C5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue we're dealing with today is that the Acer N20C5 only charges when the cable is held at a certain angle. This usually indicates a fault with the charging port or the cable itself. If this problem isn't addressed, it could lead to further damage to the port or even the device's internal components, resulting in more costly repairs down the line. For this repair, you will need a precision screwdriver set, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a replacement charging port. You may also want a magnetic mat to keep your screws organized. To begin, ensure you power off the device completely and disconnect any cables. Use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover, starting at the edge and working your way around. Be cautious as you do this, as there are clips that can break if too much force is applied. Once the back cover is removed, locate the charging port on the motherboard. It is often directly connected to the battery and may have a few screws securing it. Use your precision screwdriver to remove these screws, taking care to note their locations. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, gently disconnect any cables attached to the charging port, using tweezers if needed to avoid damaging surrounding components. Once all screws and cables are removed, you can carefully lift the old charging port away from the motherboard. Take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect any cables you detached earlier, ensuring they are firmly in place. Before closing the device, it's wise to test the new charging port. Power on the device and connect the charger to see if it charges as expected. If everything is working, gently press the back cover back into place, ensuring all clips are secured. Finally, power the device off once more. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to use the original charger and avoid yanking on the cable when unplugging it. Regularly inspect the charging port for any debris or damage, which can affect connectivity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.